Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vuyile, and on this channel we talk about business basics for beginners. In today's video, we will be talking about the target market, or known as the target audience, can also go for your customers. So what is the target audience? Your target audience as a business owner is the specific people who you know would find your business, your brand, whatever it is, your service that you're creating most appealing. So oftentimes people who are new to business and have never really just stepped into this world, they have this idea that my target audience, my ideal customer is everybody. Anybody and everybody can be my customer. I can do this particular service or sell this particular product to anybody. Anyone can use it, But when it comes to marketing, when it comes to business, it's really important, regardless what industry you're in, regardless what you do, to know who is my target customer. The reason you need a target customer is that when you are trying to impress everybody with your product, you end up impressing nobody, right? Because you are making it so general, because people are so different and people have so many different interests. So we're so unique in really different ways. And so when you're saying, okay, this product, we'll say candles. This candle is for anybody. Anybody can use this candle. But if it's really for anybody, that means you're going to have to consider every single sense that could possibly be put in a candle, right? Because some people like different kinds of scents. They like florals, they like more like cinnamons, they like fruity, they like this, they like this. And so that means if you have a product, now you have to make sure that your product is for everybody, right? And that's not possible regardless how big your business is, regardless how small your business is. Your product cannot be for every single person. It can't. Just as people, you as a person, you can't be for everybody. As a channel, this channel is not for everybody. So I'll use this channel as an example for my target audience and all of that. So for this channel, I make intro videos about business. That means my target audience or my target customer is somebody who's into business, or somebody who has a new idea and they don't know how to go about making it possible. That also means this channel is not for somebody who's been in business for a long time, because the information I'm sharing is just too trivial, it's not going to be sufficient for their needs. I'm not sharing info for just a general person who's not into business. I'm not sharing info for anybody who is already in business school and they are already receiving this information in a more academic way, right? And so even though this channel, I'd love for it to go viral, I'd love for like thousands and millions of people to watch this, I also understand that not everybody is going to like it. Not everyone's going to like this content. Not everybody is going to like me. Not everyone's going to like my camera. Like, not everyone is going to like this, and that's perfectly okay, because those people are not my target audience, right? And so looking at your business, regardless what you're selling, regardless what you're producing, you need to figure out who is my ideal customer. That doesn't mean when you're coming up with an ideal customer, other people can buy from you, right? But you need to know who your ideal customer is in order for you to create content, in order for you to market your products, in order for you to do so many things regarding your business. So here are 5 questions you can ask yourself about your ideal customer that can help you hone into the mindsets, the interests, the desires of your ideal customer. Number 1 is age. How old is your target audience? Different people at different ages have really different interests, different hobbies, different priorities. An 18-year-old has a really different priority list than a 28-year-old. A 28-year-old has a really different perspective on life and interest than a 48-year-old. A 48-year-old has a really different lifestyle and interest than a 68-year-old, right? And so you need to know, for my business, who is the most ideal person for this. We can look at TikTok. Even though anybody and everybody can use TikTok, the age range of the people that TikTok targets is under 18. It's the teens, it's the preteens. And then Zara, if you look at Zara as a business, even though anybody can wear Zara clothing, their target audience is somewhere in that working class 20, 30-year-old. And so it's great if you can figure out for your business what is a good age range or what is a good age group that is most ideal for your business and product. Number two, where do they live? If you are targeting people who live close to the tropics, it's usually hot. If you have a clothing brand, you're not going to always be selling jackets and boots and all these wintry clothes, because when it comes to your audience that you're trying to target, their clothing style is usually looser clothes, this particular material in their t-shirts because of the specific place that they live at. If you have a business like myself and the target audience is up in the north, up in Canada, where it gets quite cold for a large portion of the year, that means I need to have more winter related clothing, right? So I need to have jackets, I need to have boots, I need to have really good thick jeans, I need to have products that have like good material, right? Number three, what do they do? This is important because it helps you understand the mind, the priorities of your ideal customer. If they're young and they work retail, you can kind of understand what are their daily habits, what are their interests, what is the life of a retail worker. If they're working corporate jobs, then you can tailor your products for those kinds of people because you understand, you have done research as to what is happening in the mind and life of somebody who's working a corporate job. If they're still a student, you're able to tailor your marketing, you're able to tailor your products for students, right? If they're retired, you're able to then work around, okay, how can I understand retired people better and make a product that makes sense for them? What do they care about deeply? What are some things that they find priorities, important things that matter to them, right? And when you understand what matters to a person, what they care about, you're able to create a product, you're able to create a brand that is always relevant to your customer. What are their future goals and aspirations? When a business is able to speak to somebody's future goals, to speak and understand the aspirations, it really transforms a business where you buy your product from to a brand you care about deeply. So that is everything from me today. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you aren't already so you don't miss any of the future videos that are coming up. Like, comment, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss whenever a new video is uploaded. New videos come out every Monday and Thursday, and they're always in the theme of business basics for beginners. So if you like this topic, if you love learning about this stuff, subscribe and turn on the notification bells so that you don't miss anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.